Alright, guys. Alright, I don't know what is going on with my hand right now, but... Alright, let's just end this challenge. Alright, let's see what the first person wants.
This restaurant got 5-star. I'm gonna try it. A choice steak, please. I'd like it to be medium rare.
Alright, medium rare. I guess I can try doing that for you.
Give me money and cheeseburger. Stuff the bag.
Hey! What are you doing?
Damn you for doing
Got
this.
the GTA 6 still on sale yet.
What the heck?
I heard someone was shot at this restaurant. Is that true?
No.
Give me Coke, I'm crushed.
What is going on? Alright, I can't get it.
It's a chow time. I'd like a salad with a little dressing, please.
How do I... Alright.
My friend told me it's a hidden gem. Could I get a burger? I'm starving.
Oh.
This drink saved me from the bloody sun.
A really cozy place.
Let's go. There.
I'm a vegetarian. Any salad for me?
Oh no. Heck no. I hate pigs. Was I supposed to do
Is that a real gun?
No. Dead. Hey! The store's closed. Yes. Give me, please. Thanks for the money.
This restaurant got 5-star. I'm gonna try it.
Alright.
I'd like a salad with a little dressing, please.
Oh god, everybody wants a lettuce.
This restaurant got 5-star. I'm gonna try it.
Oh my god.
Could I have a large Coke with extra ice?
There you go. Here's your lettuce.
I love this salad. It's so fresh and tasty.
This restaurant got 5-star. I'm gonna try it.
Dude, everybody's saying that. Let me get this money. Dude, why can I not push this?
My parents went to this restaurant before, and they never came back. Could I get a steak? I want it cooked medium.
Hey. There you go. Alright, I'll give this guy chicken.
My stomach is a roll.
You just said that.
I'd like some fries, please.
Oh, put the fries in the bag? Bet. Cooked chicken. Alright. There we go. Alright. This guy wants
Your
some.
drumstick is bloody lovely.
Hey! Hey! See, that's what you get. Throw stuff at me. Hey! Did you not hear what I just said? Thanks for the money, sir. See, he is actually a nice guy that will actually listen.
A really cozy place. Hi, I'll have a burger. For here, thank you.
Wait, no, this isn't the right thing. And some lettuce.
A really cozy place. I'd like to order a burger. Be quick.
My God. I don't know what to do.
My parents went to this restaurant.
Oh, hi.
The craziest chef ever. Could I have fries with some salt on top?
Alright.
restaurant got 5-star. I'm gonna try it.
Dude,
Can
everybody's
I have fries with some salt on top?
Yeah, sure. Saying on a sec.
My parents went to this restaurant before, and they never came back. These fries are so good, I can't stop eating them.
You've made my day. Please take your reward.
It's burning outside. Do you have ice Coke?
Oh, yeah,
You need to try harder.
hey! Alright, I'll give you your Coke. Hey!
I'm sure that's not what I ordered.
Looks like a good food shop. I can't wait for my lunch.
Yeah,
Hot
what would
chicken
you like,
drums,
sir?
please. I'm ready.
Alright.
My friend told me it's a hidden gem. I'm a vegetarian. Any salad for me?
Oh yes, there's salad here, sir. It's gonna burn.
My friend told me it's a hidden gem. I'd like to order a burger. Be quick!
Hey! What? I gave you food. Is it burnt?
Looks like a good food shop. I can't wait for my lunch. I'm a vegetarian. Any salad for me?
Yes,
I'd
we
rather
have.
eat shit than put that in my mouth.
Alright. Oh.
A really cozy place. Hi, I'll have a burger. For here, thank you.
My parents went to this restaurant before, and they never came back.
No.
It's a chow time.
I don't know. I'm sorry.
Could I get a burger? I'm starving.
There's too much. There's so much talking.